Moriender's Lincoln Community Playhouse. We're here at the fly system, also called the counterweight system. So these weights, we put on these weights and they counteract the weight of scenery. So we pull the rope and the scenery can move. Now when this kind of technology first came in to the theater, the only people who knew how to use all these ropes and pulleys were sailors. So the sailors on the ships that had the big masts. And those sailors would go up on those big masts with the sails and they would try to signal each other. Well, they couldn't hear each other talk, so they used whistling as the signal. So when the theaters put in this technology, they hired sailors to be the first technicians to use this material. So sailors, by using whistles, would do whistles to each other to know whether the scenery is going up or down. And in those days, instead of these nice weights, they used sandbags that were weighted to the appropriate weights. So if you came into the theater and you whistled, one of the stagehands up in the fly system might have thought you were actually giving them direction, and they'd bring a fly line in and you might get knocked on the head by a 50-pound sandbag. So it was dangerous to whistle in a theater. Now it's still dangerous to whistle in a theater. It's one of our superstitions. You're not supposed to whistle backstage. And that's where that superstition came from, the Flyline. Lincoln Community Playhouse, we're all about human connection. So let's stay connected until we can all be together again.